In this video, we will show you the method of repairing damaged and corrupted OST files, and exporting them successfully into different file formats. We bring you the perfect solution. Cigati OST file recovery software is a professional utility that recovers your corrupted OST files into PST, EML, and other file formats. Now, let's check out the key features and benefits of the Cigati OST file recovery tool. Saves recovered OST file emails as PST, EML, MSG, and MBOX, HTML, text, CSV and archive file format. Recovers email including all items such as contacts, calendars, notes, and deleted items from the OST file. Also, recovers non-English and right-to-the-left character from an inaccessible OST file. Repair moderate and severely corrupted OST file easily. 3 modes of recovery process such as standard, advanced, and deep to recover emails from OST file. Auto-detects files in ANSI and Unicode. Let's check out the prerequisites of the software. Run software as administrator when using Windows 10 and its earlier versions. Now, let's understand the working procedure of the software. Download, install and run the Cigati OST file recovery software on your PC. Click on the Open option to select a corrupted OST file to recover. Next, click on the Browse button to select the corrupt OST file for repairing. Now choose recovery mode for scanning the OST file and click on the OK button to continue. After a few minutes, the scanning processes are completed, then click on the OK button. Click on the recovered OST file mailbox folder in the tree structure to check its preview. Now select the mailbox folders you want to recover, and click the Save button. Further, click Browse to define a location for a new OST file and click OK. Now define other options like hierarchy starts, adding PST to Outlook, and date range. Then, click OK to start the saving process. The saving process is being conducted on your system. Within a couple of minutes, the saving process will be completed, and click on the OK button to close the software application. Now, your corrupted OST files are recovered successfully.
For more updates, check out our website www.cigatisolution.com or mail us on support@cigatisolutions.com.